సాంగ్ జనరల్గా అంటే ఇప్పుడు దేవి గారితో దే ఫస్ట్ టైం రికార్డింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇదే ఫస్ట్ కదా. సో ఎలా ఆయన నీకు ఎంత అంటే బేసిక్గా అందరు చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే హీ మేక్స్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఫీల్ సో కంఫర్టబుల్ అండ్ దెన్ ఆయన వాళ్ళకి సింగర్కే ఇచ్చేస్తారు కంప్లీట్ ఫ్రీడమ్, లైక్ ఆయన కావాల్సింది తీసుకుంటారు. నీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది లైక్
it was
దేవి గారితో?
awesome. Well, also I already know him, so I wasn't scared as in like like I'm meeting a big person. Mani gar kalsinappudu I was scared.
Okay.
So but Devi gar I wasn't scared like that, but I was like okay, since I know him too, I have to do a good job. Alanti fear in there. So but he was just like basically the beginning he like asked me to sing arere akkada oka first 2 lines oka different modulations though. So he'd be like oksar paadanu, then he'll be like koncham open chesi paadu ee sari, and then or like make it a little husky now. So after a couple of trials oka tone lo set ayindannamata song. So then meeta anta that was it.
Okay.
He was just like okay, sing the song in this, and then all he said was wherever you want, add any variations you want, improvise wherever you want, nee ishtam.
That particular improvisation was yours? Or
yeah.
Neeto na pai.
Yeah. So he said wherever you want, add any classical thing, add any improvisation you want. If it's not good, I'll tell you, but you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
And then ante, then that was the song. And then the thing he was most particular about, actually more than expression and all, was lyrics. The most importance he gave to lyrics. Like అలవాటు మార్చవా అని ఒక లైన్ ఉంటుంది చరణంలో. మార్చవాలో పాడినప్పుడు ఆ రా వినిపించలేదు అట, లైక్ కొంచెం ఇట్ వాజ్ అన్క్లియర్. సో నా ఫ్లైట్ 11కు లైక్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు లీవ్ బై 10. సో నెక్స్ట్ డే he called me and he had me re-sing that line, just marchava oka a word for 10 minutes before I left for my flight. I brought my suitcase, everything. Paades 10 minutes velli airport ki ellanu.
Okay.
So like he's very very particular about lyrics. So I was really impressed with that. I was like I didn't know that actually.
Okay.
I mean I knew that he places importance, but I didn't know that was the most important thing for him. So that was very respectable, you know.
Correct. And our song, the craze వచ్చింది.
Yeah.
I think, have you ever expected that at least?
No, actually, even when
పాడినప్పుడు ఏమనిపించింది? It's like a nice love song.
When I sang it, I was like, oh, this song is so nice. పాడినప్పుడు I was just like, okay, మంచిగా పాడాలి అంతేగాని I didn't think like, oh, ఈ song hit అవుతుందా ఈ song.
No, after that
too, when they listened, like I remember Sagar Garu was like, this song is really good. Sagar Garu has a very good knack of figuring out which songs will be hit songs, which he's very good at that.
Okay.
Yeah, so he was like, this song I'm telling you will be great for you, like, and Appudugada, and KP Garu, he's a programmer.
Correct.
He also said Appudugada, he was like, this song is going to be great for you, and so and నేను అప్పుడే ఏమీ అనుకోలేదు, but it turned out to be a great song. So I mean a hit song and stuff. So
దీనికంటే ముందు నీకు like never ever expected that Mani Sharma గారికి you know beginning stage లో అంత పెద్ద సినిమాలో అంత మంచి సాంగ్, and back to back
Mani గారి comeback movie అది.
Exactly.
So I'm very lucky in that I got to sing, and Keeravani garu kuda.
Yes,
so
Keeravani garu kuda.
I'm very lucky that I've got to this early on, you know. I'm still like up and coming, so for so many big people,
True.
I'm very lucky. But Mani garu entante I was singing chorus for Sagar garu, his son.
Yeah, okay.
So then oka roju pilcharanamata oka solo chorus bit like undani pilcharanamata, and it was for Saturday Night Fever. It was a ani bijam vastadi. So I went to sing that. And it was like a 20-minute recording. Paade Sachisan. And after 1 week they called me, song undandi paadadaniki ante velte Mani garu unde akkada. I was like, oh hello. And then he's like kalsanu, and he's like, ee line okkar paadamma anna edo tune la la and edo I didn't hear the song yet. Paadanu, I repeated after him. He said, oh, okay, take this one. He was there for most of the take actually.
Okay.
And I was so Hi everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Manisha Yeerabatani. Do watch my exclusive interview with Kaumudi on Melodies and Memories. Please do subscribe to the iDream channel.